trying to grab the laptop, but I stepped back, shoving him away. Don't touch it, I hissed. I pulled out my phone.
Every day is an opportunity.
Honey, help your brother. He's trying so hard.
This is how legends are made.
I only loved my money. The room erupted. Mom was crying. Dad was shouting at me to turn it off. Alex was raging, throwing accusations. Aunt Carol tried to calm everyone, but her voice was lost in the chaos. I stood there, watching this mess of shouting, crying, finger pointing, and I felt nothing. They had always been this way. I just didn't want to see it. I am done being your ATM.
Down, down, down.
I turned and walked out the door, slamming